Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb and the side marker light. And this is an E34, basically a 1995 525. And what you need to do is there's a little slip here. You need to push it this way, hold it like that, don't yank it out, and gently push from the two sides in the front because there's a spring. And just like that. So these side marker lights, they have this little spring up here. So that's why they're harder to come out, but it's compressed against this edge here. So what you need to do, again, you see that little lip here? Put a screwdriver in there, slide it to your right, and then slowly wiggle it out. That's all you need to do. Once you get it out, all you need to do is just twist, just like that. There's the bulb. Just pull the bulb out. Get a new bulb. Replace it. And then make sure that this rib is lined up with the rib right here. Turn it, and that's it. To install the side marker light, all you have to do is push it in at the rear. Just gently press it down. That should be a good fit.